The year is 2023, and Carly's daughter Rachel is freaking out. Why is Rachel freaking out? Because she just remembered that she has an essay due at midnight, and it's 7:45 p.m. That leaves her just 4 hours and 15 minutes. Now 4 hours and 14 minutes left to complete the entire thing. What's she gonna do? Option 1. Resolute Rachel rolls up her sleeves and gets to work all on her own, hitting send at 11:58 and 39 seconds. Option 2. Resourceful Rachel finds some helpful resources online, including an artificial intelligence chatbot program that helped create her outline and check her grammar. Resourceful Rachel made a bibliography and finished at 10:45. Option 3. Rogue Rachel opened up the latest and greatest artificial intelligence chatbot app and told it she needed a 1,000-word essay on her topic, including citations. In a few seconds, it was done. Rogue Rachel copied and pasted it into a document, hit send, and was done at 7:46 p.m. and had the rest of the evening free. So, which of the Rachels do you think did the right thing? Resolute Rachel did the right thing, but can learn some valuable lessons about time management. Resourceful Rachel, well, she's probably okay, but there are some important caveats here, and it's a complicated enough question that we'll need another video to explore it. Rogue Rachel, well, if conniving Carly getting her brother to do her essay for her will get her in trouble, wait until Rogue Rachel's teacher gets a hold of this essay. It is grammatically perfect and follows the essay format flawlessly, but it is actually filled with factual errors, made-up citations, and the writer's voice doesn't sound like Rachel at all. When Rogue Rachel's teacher reads this essay, well, let's just say that Rogue Rachel is in as much trouble as her mother, conniving Carly, was. You see, if Rogue Rachel hands in work that is not her own and calls it her own, that is a violation of academic integrity. She is not doing any of the thinking or writing, and she is getting a benefit, academic credit, for something that someone or something else did. It's like stealing. Oh no, it is stealing. It's stealing ideas and words, some of the most valuable things in the universe. Stealing ideas from your brother or from an AI chatbot are really no different. Not only that, but as the old saying goes, when you cheat, you're only cheating yourself. Resolute Rachel learned so much about her topic that she gained a benefit far beyond the grade that she got on her paper. She grew as a person. Rogue Rachel gained nothing, except a trip to the principal's office. From now on, Rachel will have to keep these important principles of academic integrity in mind. Writing your own ideas is allowed. Writing other people's ideas and citing them as sources is allowed. Writing other people's words and putting them in quotation marks and citing them as sources is allowed. Writing other people's ideas or words down without using quotation marks or citing them as sources is never allowed, whether those ideas come from your older sibling, a search engine, or an AI program. If only Rogue Rachel had that time machine and could go back to let herself know all this. Maybe her AI chatbot will tell her how to make one.